Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Amazon A+ content strategy for search discovery, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Amazon A+ content strategy for search discovery, start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Advertising tab in the main menu. Select A+ Content Manager from the drop-down options. Click on the Create a Plus Content button. Choose the Custom option to begin crafting your content. Select the product you want to enhance with A+ content. Use the available templates to design your layout. Incorporate high-quality images that represent your brand and product. Write compelling copy focused on the features and benefits of your product. Ensure your content is engaging and answers common customer questions. Utilize comparison charts to highlight advantages over competing products. Add customer testimonials or enhanced brand storytelling to build trust. Regularly review Amazon's content guidelines to ensure compliance. Optimize your A+ content with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Preview your content to check for any formatting issues or typos. Once satisfied, submit your A+ content for approval. After approval, monitor the performance of your enhanced listings. Use the insights from your product performance to refine future A+ content. Stay updated with any changes in Amazon's policies regarding A+ content. Continuously test different layouts and information to find what resonates best with customers. Implementing these strategies will enhance your product's visibility and aid in search discovery on Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.